So what I'm gonna do today is something I haven't done in a few weeks. I'm gonna clean my little tortoise. This guy. He is a mess. See that? I actually tried cleaning him last night, and I did a little bit, but I had to put him down and come back because he was still quite a bit dirty. If you could see, look at this camera, if it'll focus. I cleaned the bottom of him last night. I'm gonna do a little bit more. Also his back and front. He actually pooped while I was cleaning him. Normally when I do it, I don't like to, I could use a toothbrush, an old toothbrush, but I prefer not to. I just like to wipe him off with warm water. And sometimes it's a challenge because he would pull his feet in. See, I just like to keep him as clean as possible. He's inside the house for now. I'm manhandling him. A couple of years from now, I won't be able to flip him like this. So, might as well take advantage now. Let's just wipe him off. It's actually a beautiful tortoise. I may need some type of brush to clean his feet. See, he never lets me get his head. Every time I try, he always pulls it in even more. Like you can see if you look on his head, it's kind of messy, and his front feet, but he'll be all right. I'm just gonna continue cleaning the bottom. And his back. I just use regular water. I don't put anything in it. No soap, nothing. Just a little bit of warm water. And just wipe. See? All of that. He's a messy guy. I hope the camera caught that. A little bit more. See? Just a paper towel with some warm water. He's tucked in there so good. I also soaked him last night in a bit of water. A little bit of poop back here. I don't want to make him too uncomfortable, so let me hold him up a little bit. See? Oh, focus. See, that's the bottom. You see? Let me use this one. That's his bottom. It's way cleaner than it was. That's his little face. And I'm just about done. When I'm finished, I'm gonna put him in under the lamp. He should be fine. I'm gonna wipe his front feet a little bit. Yeah. Yep. Let me do one more and wipe off the top of his shell. That's a little bit. Now he's ready to go. Okay. Almost good as new. Almost. You see? And the bottom. This camera. Bottom. His head. The shell is pretty clean too. And normally, after I'm done, I just put him back in his little enclosure. Let me show you.